Good morning, guys. It has been a week. Today's Saturday. I don't know what day of Vlogmas this is actually supposed to be because like we've had such an issue trying to get our previous video, one, like totally edited, two, to get it to save, three, to get it to upload, and then we had all these issues like where we just noticed like all these files were missing when we transferred it into like where we edit our software. It would just be like we'd have all this stuff and then it would just not be anything. And like we've worked our butts off for 2 days now trying to get all this done. Then we go to upload it and we realized that some of it's still not fixed. So we thought we were gonna have a video first thing this morning done. Probably gonna take me all day now and Britt all day to like go back and try to re-edit it because I think that's the only one that's gonna fix it. We took 2 hours of video and condensed it down to 20 minutes and we're gonna have to go back and do all that over again. Nobody said the thing that Vlogmas may be this trying on you, especially if like you're not used to it, I guess. Like for us, we're used to 1 video a week. Definitely been a change trying to do this like every day.
Challenge.
Most definitely a challenge.
Hey guys. I think I'll have an emotional breakdown. It's not from Vlogmas, it's just from like there's a lot that's happening at once. You know, whenever you just feel like 7,000 things go wrong at one time, I feel like that's what's happening right now, and I've cried like 4 times. I had an actual breakdown standing right there in the kitchen this morning, and I was just freaking crying my eyes out.
If I wouldn't have been there to catch you, I think you literally would have done the Lilo and laid on the floor.
I don't usually cry. I mean, like I cry at Disney, but at home I don't cry. Like I feel like just overwhelmed with things going wrong right now.
It's just been one of those weeks where it's like all these different things go wrong in all these different areas of your life at one time, and you're like, what the heck?
First thing this morning, Jared's like, saw what you got me for Christmas. I'm like, what? He goes, yeah, I got a notification on Amazon. So I got him a really expensive pair of binoculars. They were very expensive, and it was.
I've been wanting these binoculars for like 2 years.
Christmas present, and he saw that I got them, and I was like, ah!
I was debating on myself like whether I should tell her or not tell her or try to act surprised on Christmas Day. But she was talking about like all these things that go on. I was like, well, since you're already in a bad mood, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you this.
Thank you. Let's like jab you with a knife, and then I'm just gonna grab and twist it real quick just to make it. The present that was on the doorstep the other day, not the one I kicked down, but the other day where he saw it and he was like, he already kind of knew because it said optics on the outside, and so he was like, did you get me some binoculars? I was like, no. And then I ordered them on Amazon like an idiot, and so it's his Amazon account, and so he gets the notifications to his phone, and so he was like, I got the Amazon notification that you bought me some binoculars, thank you. And I'm like, ah! So we're just really tired and we're gonna work on this video, but first, can we have some pancakes?
Sure, go ahead, make them. I'll let you.
Just one more thing to go wrong. If I make pancakes.
So I'm about to make us pancakes, at least try to start this morning off on somewhat of a right foot.
Alright, Jared's still editing. Me and Kipper are gonna run to Walgreens real quick. He has to stay in the car. I don't think that they let dogs in, but he's really bored, so he can come with me. And we're gonna just go grab a few things from Walgreens. Sound fun? Yeah, if I could come inside, but I'm not allowed. Okay, you can come. Come on, load up. Okay, Kip, I'll be right back. It'll be okay. I'll come right back, okay?
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great, running out of town just to celebrate. My fortune's here to stay. a one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine, in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is.
I'm back, Dad. Had a fun field trip. Trip to Walgreens, success. I went for candy. Came back with more than candy. All right, I'm about to do a bunch of wrapping, so I went to Walgreens just to get a few things to add to for the dogs. Got them a hedgehog. Nope, this is your Christmas present. Sorry, you can't see. Got a hedgehog with a rope, and I got a duck with a rope, and my favorite, I got a Grinch with the rope on the bottom. Oh no, he's already torn. Oh well, they'll tear it up anyway. And I got some Sally Hansen gel. This is my favorite fingernail polish, and this one is in the shade Can't Beat Royalty. Got that for Christmas. I got some Grinch Christmas cards because this year if we get Christmas cards in the mail, we're going to mail some back. I got a little bit of candy just to add to like stockings and stuff. I got this really cute makeup brush holder. I don't know if I'll use it for makeup brushes or for supplies in the office, but it's like iridescent and white and so pretty. I think the rest is just snacks. So I got these for my mom. She loves the Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares. I got this just so we can keep our hot chocolate in it when we get done with our container that Jared's mom gave us. So I think it's cute. It's just a little Swiss Miss hot chocolate container with obviously hot chocolate in it and a little bell on top. And I got a few of these because these are my absolute favorite candy in the whole wide world. It's like Sour Mike and Ike's. They're called Sours, and they are so good. If you like sour stuff, then you would love these. If you don't like sour stuff, you would hate these. And I got us some Sun Chips because these are some of my favorite chips. And I like the garden salsa ones. This is my favorite flavor. And I got 2 packs of Kisses. I've never tried this flavor, so I got this one. It's hot cocoa flavor, and I got the peppermint bark one too. I like to get these and like sprinkle them into presents so that there's like a gift and then a little happy that's like candy. So I grabbed those and put those in presents. Okay y'all, it's several months later and we've finally gotten the video uploaded from yesterday. Just kidding, but we've been working on it all day today. It's going up. It's got 6%. It says it's got 1 hour and 47 minutes left. Cool. Just add to the list. This video has been such a pain. So if you're watching today's video and you didn't watch yesterday's video, just for the effort that we put into it, the video might absolutely suck. But for our work that we put into it, will you please just go watch it? Because we have worked like, we've never worked this hard on a video. Not like necessarily like the quality of it and like our editing, but the persistence of trying to get it up has been like nothing we've ever dealt with before. So we are actually about to go to the store. I've got my Disney jacket on. This is will be a new haul that's coming up on our channel. We got it the last time we were in Florida. We still have to film that. All that stuff is piled up in our closet. But also, if y'all can't tell, you may can tell or you may not can tell. We're filming on our old camera, our G7X that we've had for like 5 years. The one that we were filming on was just really hard to like carry in and out of places, and it's fine for at home, but like if we're gonna go to places, our G7X is much smaller and it's just easier. And we've never had a problem uploading footage from it before.
It's all reliable.
Yeah, very, very reliable. Might not be the best quality, but it works. We are about to head to this store to get something for supper, and then we're gonna come back home. Today's just been a really lazy, well, not really lazy, we've been doing YouTube stuff all day, but it's been a very chill day. We haven't done much.
We gotta go and get back so I can watch the end of the LSU game.
You could actually bring it with you because it's on your phone. We canceled our cable, so now anytime that we have to watch something like a football game,
Thank God
we have
for
to
the
do it with
CBS
our
Sports app today.
Yeah, we have to do it on our phone or through like the Fire Stick and the apps and stuff like that. Let's go to the grocery store. I just realized almost every single day of Vlogmas, I have not worn a lick of makeup, almost at all. So I'm sorry about that y'all have had to watch me with no makeup on. So I put some mascara on and some, well, hello, street light. I put some mascara on and some lip gloss. So better than nothing. Let's go grocery shopping. we're back from the grocery store. We probably eat more unhealthy during the holidays, just like every other person does. We're pretty like normal eaters. We're not super healthy. We're not super unhealthy. We're just like right in the middle. We eat like every other, I feel like, American family. And so we showed you some of the things that we got, but I mean, like, we get things like Little Debbie. Well, I actually don't eat Little Debbie's because I don't like them, but like Jared likes Little Debbie Christmas trees during Christmas time. So I've always told Jared that I didn't want people to watch our videos if we did home vlogs and either them be ugly to us about the way we ate or for us to make someone else feel bad about the way that they ate, because I feel like that's a big thing in the YouTube community, because health has become a trend, which is great, but also like you gotta live a little. So when people want to go and get some french fries, they're like, oh well, the YouTuber I watch, she only eats a leaf for lunch. That's okay for her, but basically the moral of the story is I don't want you to feel like you have to eat a certain way or we eat bad or we eat better than you, because I feel like that's definitely a thing when you watch certain YouTubers. You like, gosh, I eat like crap compared to her. Well, she probably turns off that camera after eating that one leaf for lunch and goes to the McDonald's drive-thru and gets a vanilla milkshake because they're really good. Or Chick-fil-A, cookies and cream.
If y'all saw our video from yesterday, you saw how much Brett loves apple cider, especially the cider that we got at the Tea Exchange in downtown. Well, we picked some up before we left, and then today when we went to the grocery store, we actually found some apple cider to mix it with. So I'm about to make it on the stovetop and see if I can kind of get it to taste like it did last night. Brett's already like almost asleep on the couch. This is probably like definitely gonna send her like over the top. Okay, I'm ready for bed now, because it just makes you feel so homey, and it's like, I don't know, it's such a cozy drink and it's so good. And Brett's throat's kind of starting to hurt, so I think this will be good to kind of soothe it with it being warm and spicy and just Christmassy and cozy and all that good stuff. So I'm about to try it and see how it turns out.
Y'all, this cider is so good. Seriously, I did not expect it to taste that good. It tastes just like it did last night on Antique Alley. It's not quite as good as the Disney one, but it's pretty good. But these are cups that we got from Starbucks like Valentine's Day, like 3 years ago. But we use them all the time. They're the plastic reusable ones. Also, I did try this Wicked mix, and it is actually really, really good. I'm really sad that Jared can't have it. Jared's allergic to peanuts, in case y'all did or didn't know, but it's got peanuts in it and he can't try it. But it is actually really good. It says spicy, but I think it's more sweet than spicy, actually. How relatable are we now? We've got our sheets washed, but we also have a couch full of laundry. We are so relatable. At least I hope that other people have couches full of laundry when they go to bed. We'll worry about that tomorrow. But we've got the flannel sheets that we got yesterday in the mail washed, so we're about to pop those on the bed. Oh wait, we've got to take the other sheets off. Hold on. This is my snowflake blanket. These are what our snowflake sheets look like. They're so pretty, and my gosh, they are soft. I got them at Target. I don't know if they still have them, but I'll try to link them if I can. But wow, I can't wait. I usually jump on the bed right now, and Jared almost murders me. And we're really tired right now, so I'm not gonna test that theory.
Appreciate that.
You're welcome. Okay, we're having a disagreement now because I say that the sheet goes this way because when you turn your bed down, the snowflakes show. And Jared's like, no, that is not how it goes. Yes, it is. This is a professional way to sheet your bed. Is that what it's called?
I call bullshit.
No, this is definitely how it goes. And then you got all your pillows and stuff. Definitely. Like, we're gonna look at Pottery Barn ads as soon as we get done doing this. All right, the bed is made. See what I'm saying? You take it and you turn it down so like the pattern is on this side too. Otherwise it'd just be like white, you know? This is a bed. I think it looks really cute. I mean, they were like a last minute purchase. I was wanting some flannel sheets and I wanted them that I could get to match as closely, but this was a pattern and I knew I wanted a Christmas pattern, but I also didn't want a Christmas pattern. I just wanted a winter pattern. So I was really looking for snowflakes so I could keep them on during like January and February. And these ones that I found, they were the closest I could get to match what I've got going on down here. This is an IKEA bedspread. Yeah, and I just popped my Peace and Joy pillow on to add that little spark of Christmas, but I can take that off and swap the pillow whenever Christmas is over, which I wish would never happen.
Whether the sheets go this way or that way, we're happy to be in them. They're super cozy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not subscribed to us, hit that subscribe button too. We'll see y'all tomorrow.